Hey guys, what's going on? It's July 15th today. We're back out on the Delta, out here with Joe again. We're gonna give it another shot. We actually we caught a couple fish so far. The wind was blowing so bad, I didn't really have a chance to film anything yet, but probably blowing, I don't even know, 25, 30 out here. So we're gonna have to kind of pick our spots carefully, and hopefully the audio quality isn't too bad. But we just hit our first step of monetization on the channel, so appreciate everybody's support and subscribing and everything like that. So hopefully we can keep doing that, and maybe one day we'll get a couple bucks to put in the boat for gas or something. So that'll be cool. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can do today. Hey. Here, we'll flip them in. Nice. Here, let me get on the trolling motor.
On the board.
Here, let me get out of here real quick. Get sucked in. Hold on to your. You know what?
All right.
Let me look at your fish real quick before we toss it. Nice. Yeah.
Going? Nice, dude.
There we go.
Oh, same size.
Nothing crazy, but another fish.
Want to get weight off?
This one's a little short. Decent. There you go. Where's he at? Oh man, right on the end of your rod. That's funny.
He was decent.
That outside edge is not bad.
No. Black and blue. Yeah, he's barely on. Woo.
Nice.
All right.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. No, I got you. You don't know what? Oh, you'll know. I keep telling you that, but I mean it. You'll know.
I don't know. Sometimes I feel the mat. But it's the mat, you know? I use something different.
Your rod's literally gonna vibrate. Like when you like this. Oh yeah, that's a big one. It's not a giant. It's like a 3-pounder, but all right.
Nice fish, dude.
It's probably not even that big.
Like a 3?
Solid,
yeah.
solid one.
Hell yeah. Get weight on that bad boy.
Look at that. I think it might be worth you switching colors. Yeah. Finally. Keep pulling it. Pull.
Got him. Oh my God, it's the tiniest fish imaginable.
Look at that. Your first punch fish.
Oh.
Your first punch fish, and it's like.
And it's ginormous.
And it's like.
I actually thought it was huge. It was just all the week.
Nice work.
Hey, dude. That's PB punch fish right here, dude. Look at that thing.
Look at that.
Yep.
There he is.
Got him?
No, I'll be okay. Oh, it's a little foul hook.
Foul hook.
He had the other hook at first, and then he came off, but city. And there's a fishing lure there too. Maybe it's his favorite spot to fish or something. When I go, I'm getting spread out here. Yep. I'm going back where I always was. Where I was always supposed to be. The Dirty D. Oh God, that was a fucking crazy bite. Man, he was angry. That was an epic bite. Man, that was awesome. That was an awesome bite. Wow. All right, we're getting pretty blown around out here. We're catching fish here and there, but the wind, I mean, it's probably blowing 30 miles an hour. So we're probably gonna run back down. Tide's coming in, it's getting high. It's hard to say exactly where I think we should go just because where we're at, it's just pretty open. So we don't have a lot of opportunities to get out of the wind. So we're probably gonna try and just see what we can do, find an area that isn't getting completely blown out and see if we can get on some fish there. There's a lot of bait on this bank. It's kind of interesting. Keep seeing it jump.
There you go. Oh, nice one. Nice big one.
Long fish, but not a big fish. Post spawn. Oh, it's a big one.
Flip me on that.
I'll flip him at this point. Oh, I thought he was in the net.
Yeah.
No, he's not huge, but it's the biggest of the day, probably.
Get 3.
Yeah, probably close to it. Wow, he's beat up. He's got like all kinds of stuff going on. Oh, shit. He wasn't going anywhere. All right, all right. No, but... There was one time where I cast it back in the mat 3 times and I never caught the fish. And it just kept blowing up. I was like so pissed. Man, you see how shallow that was, dude?
Yeah, I was back in there.
I don't think he ever got it, to be honest.
Really in water.
I don't even know where that bite was. I think it was right there.
It was back. Yeah, a little bit to the right. Yeah, right.
That's gonna be a hard cast to replicate, honestly. Because he was under that hyacinth, you know? I can't tell. Oh no. Oh, yeah. That's crazy how far that fish was back there. Wow. That's pretty funny, actually. Not a super big one, but we'll take it. That's cool. All right, that's a wrap. Still blowing out here, probably over 20 miles an hour. Kind of got blown around a little bit too much today. I think in hindsight, maybe I went to pick such an open area to come check out, but is what it is. A lot of fish on the whopper plopper, some on the punch, a couple frogfish there at the end. Really didn't get a big bite or see any super big fish, so kind of a bummer, but I think I'd like to come out here again when it's a little bit calmer, maybe in a month or so. But yeah, like I said earlier, appreciate all the support. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.